Herman, open the garage.
Got it.
Okay, I'll see you guys at the PD, I guess.
Alright.
Seatbelts.
Okay, yeah, I'm in.
Got it.
I'll call this guy when we get wherever we're going and tell him to come here. His name's
another robbery.
John.
Somebody hop out and close the garage.
Got it.
John,
I don't know how to do it. Oh, he's got it.
Oh no! That's no good.
Guys,
My God. Oh, the humanity.
what the hell happened?
I don't know. I closed the garage and everything went to hell.
Should we call the police? Okay,
Oh,
I'm calling the
God.
police. It's still alive.
Maybe an ambulance. I think he's still okay if he just drops and rolls. Or rolls.
God damn it.
Just roll on the ground, man.
It shouldn't be funny, but it is.
Trying to help him.
No, it's not how it works.
It's not helping. Oh, God.
Oh,
Oh, my God.
No, Vinny.
Oh,
Vinny, no.
Jesus.
Are you alive, Vinny? Oh no.
Oh, God.
I think he's dead.
Oh, my God. Hey, we have the same shirt. We had.
Hey, well, what a coincidence.
Oh, God, really? What? That was the
Well, like, I already called the ambulance, but I think it's too late.
Yeah. Shit.